As I've done before when I want to learn something, I did a search on YouTube for a problem I'm having. This car already has cost me about $260. Took it to a mechanic who put a fresh charge of Freon in it, and it didn't solve my problem. He offered for me to come back and troubleshoot it, but when I did the research and I found a mechanic who had already wasted 2 days of someone's money trying to find the solution, I thought, I'm gonna see if that works as simple as it did in the video. Okay, so in the summer it works sometimes, but you'll notice right now that flashing light tells you something's wrong with my air conditioner. I took it to the mechanic, he wasn't able to fix it. So, watching the YouTube, I'm gonna fix it today. Well, that's not brain surgery.
Ah, the fuse box.
Now, it looks like that may be the little jewel right there. It is right there. The MG clutch.
MG clutch.
It's in the fourth space, so I'm going to go with that. Now, once I open this package, I've spent $128.
Wow.
Once you plug one electrical component in, they will not give you your money back. Imagine if I paid a mechanic 2 full days to find this problem. It would have cost me many hundreds of dollars, so it's a good gamble. Here's the old one I pulled out, and here's the new $128 relay I'm about to put in, and it goes right there. Now we should be able to sit in the car, turn on the engine, and see problem solved. Okay, so starting up, I've replaced the relay.
Oh my goodness.
And the AC is no longer broke. It's blowing cold air. So I have to say thanks to the mechanic that has his own YouTube channel, who took the time to explain the obscure 2003 Toyota Camry that was having the exact same problem I was having. And it shows how if you're having a challenge, chances are someone else has had the same challenge.